In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change address on Facebook Marketplace. By the end, your marketplace results will match the area you actually want to shop in. Start by opening the Facebook app on your phone. Look for the familiar blue icon with the white F and tap it once. When the app opens, you should land on your main Facebook feed with posts from friends, pages, and groups. If Facebook asks you to log in, make sure you sign in with the account you actually use for Marketplace so your changes affect the right profile. Once Facebook is open, tap the menu button. This is the three horizontal lines icon, usually in the bottom right on iPhone or the top right on many Android phones. When you tap it, the screen switches to a new page with several sections, like your profile, groups, saved items, and various shortcuts. If you have many shortcuts, you might need to scroll a little until you see Marketplace in the list. Now tap Marketplace. The icon looks like a small storefront. When it opens, you will see the Marketplace home, with items for sale arranged in a grid or list, along with a search bar at the top. These listings are based on your current location settings, which you are about to change. If you see a message about enabling notifications or location, you can leave those alone for now. They do not stop you from changing the address. From here, tap your current location. You will usually find this near the top of the Marketplace screen, often shown as a city name with a small location pin icon, or as a bubble saying something like Set Location. When you tap it, a new screen opens that shows a map and your current city or address at the top, along with a distance circle around it. This is where all your changes will happen. Next, enter your new city or address. Tap into the search field at the top of the location screen so your keyboard appears. Start typing the name of the city, town, or a specific address where you want to search. As you type, Facebook shows a list of matching locations underneath. Beginners sometimes stop typing too early, so make sure you tap the exact place you want from that list. Once you select it, the map recenters around the new spot. After that, adjust the distance range. You will see a slider or options that control how far Marketplace should search around your chosen location. Drag the slider left for a smaller radius, so you only see very local items, or right for a wider radius if you are willing to travel farther. As you move it, look at the number of miles or kilometers changing, and notice the circle on the map growing or shrinking to match. Finally, tap Apply. You will usually see this button at the bottom of the screen. When you tap it, Facebook closes the location screen and returns you to Marketplace. The listings refresh automatically, and you should now see items based on your new address and distance range. You have just updated your Facebook Marketplace search location so your results match the area where you actually want to shop. So if this helped you dial in better local deals, please give the video a quick thumbs up and maybe subscribe for more simple Facebook tips.